Hello, Moving Image Lab. This is Bob Moss, and this is the screen capture for the slideshow project. So, what I want to do is, again, we're going to make a new folder on the desktop, and I'm going to call this MIL Slideshow. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to create another folder called Pictures to be organized. Okay. I downloaded these from my iPhone, so I'm going to go to my downloads, and here's the pictures I want to use. I'm going to grab them, and I'm going to put them into my work area, into my pictures folder. Okay, and again, I want you guys to be organized to know where things are. I don't want to import from my documents or from a card. I want to have a project that's organized with things in it. Then I'm going to open up my Premiere, and with my Premiere Pro, we're going to save that into, while we're waiting for it, I'm going to come back over to my pictures folder, or my Moving Image Lab project folder, and I'm going to create another folder called Premiere Project. Okay, and I might add music to this later, which I'll show you later in the week. And I'll have a music folder too. Okay, so I'm going to go back over to my Premiere Pro project. I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to do a new project. I'm going to call it Slideshow, and I don't want this to go in somewhere where it shouldn't be. So I'm going to go to Browse, and yeah, this would have. I'm going to come into my desktop. There's my slideshow, and that isn't the right one. Here's the one I want with my Premiere Pro project, and I'm going to say choose right there and say OK. Okay. Now I'm ready to import my media. So since it's organized, I'm going to do Command I, or I'm going to do File Import, and I'm going to go find those images. So I'm going to go back to my desktop. There's my project. There's my pictures, and I'm going to bring the pictures in as a bin. So I'm going to just select the folder and say Import. So notice this folder here is a bin. I can create a new bin by clicking on this, but if I double click on this, there's the images I want to use. Okay, so that's how we get started with the slideshow. The next section is going to be how to actually put the images on the timeline.